Ever felt like you're running in circles, trying everything from Neville Goddard's teachings to meditation, yet still feeling stuck? Belief the Master is here to revolutionize your perspective. Imagine unlocking a door to infinite possibilities where your deepest desires don't just remain wishes but become your reality. Welcome to our exploration of a concept so powerful, it has the potential to transform your life's trajectory. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of parallel realities and quantum jumping, the journey that promises to enlighten your path to manifestation mastery. Imagine, for a moment, a universe brimming with endless realities. Every decision you make propels you into a different version of your life. This isn't science fiction. It's the underpinning theory of quantum jumping. The idea might seem overwhelming, but let's simplify it together. Imagine there's a version of you for every possible life scenario. Wealthy, content, struggling. These versions already exist in the fabric of the universe because in the realm of manifestation, creation is already complete. You're not creating anything new. Rather, you're shifting to a reality where your desires are already fulfilled. Every technique you've tried, affirmations, visualizations, Keats, they're all pathways to this shift. They align your consciousness with the reality of your desires, making what seemed impossible possible. Halfway through our journey today, if you're finding value in unraveling these mysteries, remember to subscribe to Belief the Master. Join our community for more insights that empower your manifestation journey. Let's tackle a common concern: the impact of our desires on others. The beauty of understanding parallel realities is recognizing the infinite possibilities that exist between you and any person. There's a reality where mutual love and respect are already in play, negating any notion of violating free will. Every choice leads you to a version of reality where your relationship dynamics align with your desires. But what about the obstacles? Third parties, perceived limitations, doubts. These are merely scenarios in a sea of endless possibilities. Your power lies in choosing the reality where challenges transform into stepping stones. Quantum jumping isn't just a theory, it's a practical approach to life. By choosing your focus wisely, you navigate through the vast ocean of realities, anchoring in the one that resonates with your highest desires. In this vast universe of ours, every dream, every wish, and every desire you hold in your heart is not just a mere figment of your imagination, but a potential reality waiting to be lived. As we dive deeper into the realms of quantum jumping and the science of manifestation, it's crucial to remember that the essence of achieving your desires lies not in the external pursuit, but in the internal shift. This shift is more profound than a simple change of mindset. It's a leap into a reality where your desires are already your truths. Consider this: every version of you that you can imagine, whether it's being in a fulfilling relationship, achieving unparalleled success in your career, or living in a state of boundless prosperity, already exists in the infinite web of possibilities that make up our universe. The key to unlocking these realities lies in understanding that you don't have to create these experiences from scratch. Instead, you're invited to align with them, to match your frequency with the reality where they exist. Now let's explore a concept that might initially seem daunting, but is incredibly liberating once understood: the fluidity of reality. The boundaries that we perceive as fixed and unchangeable are, in fact, malleable. Your reality is shaped not just by your actions, but by your beliefs, your expectations, and most importantly, your intention. When you align your intention with your desired reality, you set in motion a powerful process that gradually shifts your world to match your desires. Engaging in this journey requires a blend of faith, patience, and active participation. It's about finding balance, allowing yourself to dream big while also taking grounded steps towards your goals. It involves daily practices that keep your mind aligned with your desired reality, such as gratitude journaling, which anchors your mind in a state of abundance, or mindfulness meditation, which clears the noise and connects you with your inner guidance. Embarking on a journey of manifestation and personal transformation requires not only a deep understanding of the laws of the universe, but also an unwavering belief in one's ability to navigate the vast ocean of possibilities that life offers. As we continue to explore the intricate dance between desire and reality, it's essential to delve into the psychological and spiritual underpinnings that make manifestation not just a possibility, but a tangible reality for those who dare to dream and believe. At the heart of manifestation lies the concept of belief, a powerful force that shapes our perception of reality and, by extension, the reality itself. To manifest your desires, you must first cultivate a belief so strong that it becomes an unshakable conviction. This belief acts as a magnetic force, attracting circumstances, opportunities, and experiences that align with your desired reality. It's about seeing beyond the immediate appearances and trusting in the unseen forces at work. Understanding the role of the subconscious mind in manifestation is crucial. The subconscious is the fertile soil in which the seeds of our thoughts and beliefs are planted. It does not discriminate between positive and negative. It simply grows whatever is sown. Therefore, planting seeds of positivity, abundance, and success is imperative. Techniques such as affirmations, visualization, and meditation are tools to reprogram the subconscious mind, ensuring that it works in harmony with your conscious desires. Visualization, in particular, is a potent tool in the manifestation process. It involves creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome, engaging all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. This practice not only reinforces your belief, but also prepares your mind and body to recognize and seize the opportunities that lead to the realization of your dreams. The key is consistency and emotional involvement. The more real the visualization feels, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind. Another critical aspect of manifestation is alignment, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. Alignment ensures that you are not just passively wishing for a change, but actively moving towards it. This means making choices and taking actions that reflect the reality you want to create, even before it manifests. It's about living as if your desires have already come to fruition, which sends a powerful message to the universe about your readiness to receive. The journey of manifestation is also a journey of self-discovery and growth. It requires you to confront and release limiting beliefs that have held you back, to embrace vulnerability and step out of your comfort zone. It's about recognizing that challenges and setbacks are not obstacles but opportunities for growth, each one bringing you closer to your ultimate goal. Embracing this mindset transforms the manifestation process from a series of external achievements to an internal evolution, where every step forward reflects your growth as an individual. As we delve deeper into the manifestation journey, it's important to acknowledge the role of gratitude. Gratitude is not just a reaction to receiving what we want. It's a powerful state of being that amplifies our ability to attract abundance. By focusing on what we already have and expressing gratitude for it, we shift our energy from one of lack to one of abundance, which in turn attracts more abundance into our lives. It's a virtuous cycle that begins with a simple act of thankfulness. Let's also explore the concept of detachment, the art of letting go of the outcome while maintaining a strong belief in its realization. Detachment does not mean giving up on your desires. Rather, it's about releasing the tension and anxiety that come from clinging too tightly to a specific outcome. It's about trusting in the timing and wisdom of the universe, knowing that what is meant for you will come to you at the right time and in the right way. This state of trust and surrender opens up a space for miracles to happen, for the universe to work its magic in ways that exceed your expectations. In the tapestry of manifestation, every thought, every belief, and every action is a thread that contributes to the creation of your reality. It's a process that requires patience, persistence, and a deep commitment to personal growth and self-awareness. It's about becoming the highest version of yourself, one who is capable of creating and living a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. If you've been enjoying the content and want to show some extra love, you can send a super thanks. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to grow and improve the channel. We appreciate each and every one of you, and your super thanks messages brighten our day. As we wrap up this exploration, we invite you to reflect on your manifestation journey. Remember that you are a powerful creator, equipped with all the tools and knowledge you need to bring your dreams into reality. The universe is abundant, and there is no limit to what you can achieve when you align your energy with the energy of creation. If this deep dive into the art of manifestation has inspired you, if you felt a spark of hope or a surge of motivation, we encourage you to like this video and subscribe to Belief the Master. Together, we'll continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, unlocking the secrets to living a life of unlimited potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and transformation. Remember, the power to manifest your dreams lies within you.